Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the fingerprint sensor not working on the Samsung Galaxy A52s. So, if your fingerprint sensor is not working, so this phone does have a fingerprint sensor in the bottom middle of the screen. As you can see, I just used it. And if you're having trouble with it and it's not working, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to try and fix it. So first off, you can always clean your screen. So just clean the screen or the general area of where the fingerprint sensor is. So we can take a microfiber cloth and just clean our screen like that. There's not really much needed unless you have some really intense dirt on the screen. So just clean it up like that and check if the fingerprint sensor is working now. If it isn't, we can move on to the next step. So what we can try also doing is adding the fingerprint again. So just re-registering the fingerprint. And to do that, we need to open up the settings, click on security and privacy, click lock screen, fingerprints, type in our PIN code or the pattern, whatever you have. And then either click add fingerprint or just delete this one first and then add the new one if you want to do the same finger. So just go through the process. Make sure you do it properly so it registers your finger accurately. So just always put your finger in the middle of this icon so it changes places, as you can see. And all we need to do is just keep pressing our finger in the middle of it, like that. So right now I'm doing it. The setup is pretty easy. Not the easiest, but still you can do it pretty quickly. So there we go. The fingerprint has been added to our phone, and to check if it works once again. What you can also try doing is removing the screen protector on your phone, because that might also be causing interference. Or what you can do is enable extra screen sensitivity by going to the main settings menu, clicking on display, scrolling down, and enabling touch sensitivity. So this will work, but your screen will work better with screen protectors. And then the last thing that you can try doing, if it's just a bug on your phone, and you can try updating the software. So if there's a new software update, they might have fixed the issue that you're currently having. So what we need to do is open up the settings, scroll all the way down to software update, click on download and install, and just download this new software update if you do have it. If you don't, you can just skip the step. But if you do, download it, go through the setup process, and once your phone restarts, you'll be on the new version and your fingerprint sensor might be fixed. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.